Hello skaters! In today's video, we'll be using the outside mohawk as a foundation to build a step sequence starting with a simple combination and gradually increasing the difficulty. Depending on your skating level, you can use just the first variation, the first two, or all of them as part of your daily warm-up routine. This is a great way to improve your steps, turns, and overall edge quality on the ice. Let's get started with a left forward to right backward outside mohawk on a half circle. From there, continue with a power pull, going from the right backward outside edge to the right backward inside edge. This sets you up to begin a new circle with a backward crossover from the left backward outside edge to the right backward inside edge. Then return to the axis and repeat the entire sequence from the top. Mohawk, power pull, and backward crossover. As you practice, make sure to keep your shoulders and arms aligned with the long axis or the long wall of the ring. Work through your knees and ankles to maintain smooth, controlled gliding throughout the sequence. Next, we'll repeat the same base exercise on the opposite side. Start on the right forward outside edge into a mohawk, stepping onto the left backward outside edge. Then perform a power pull from the left backward outside edge to the left backward inside edge along the axis. Begin your second circle with a backward crossover from the right backward outside edge to the left backward inside edge and return to the start of the sequence. Now we are going to make the sequence more challenging by replacing the backward crossover with a double backward inside 3-turn. Start the same way, left forward outside edge into a right backward outside mohawk, followed by a power pull. After the power pull, stay on the right inside edge, bring your free leg in front, rotate your upper body to face outside of the circle, and perform a right backward inside 3-turn. Then immediately follow with a right forward outside 3-turn. After completing the turns, glide on the right backward inside edge until you return to the axis and then repeat the sequence from the forward outside mohawk. Continue the sequence across the ring using the same leg. Then repeat the same exercise on the opposite side, starting on the right forward outside edge into a left backward outside mohawk. Do a power pull on the left foot from the backward outside to the backward inside edge, then perform the double inside 3-turn, left backward inside 3-turn, followed by left forward outside 3-turn. If you're enjoying this video and learning something new, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful skating tips and tutorials. You can click the link above or check the description below for more details about my YouTube membership options, where you can reach out to me directly with your skating questions or even request a personalized video on demand featuring exercises of your choice. For our next upgrade in difficulty, we are going to add 2 turns at the beginning of the sequence, a forward outside bracket and a backward inside 3-turn. This builds on the previous exercise where we added a double backward inside 3-turn at the end. Start on a left forward outside edge with a forward outside bracket, followed immediately by a left backward inside 3-turn. From there, continue with the left forward outside to right backward outside mohawk, all on a half circle. Then perform a power pull from the right backward outside edge to the right backward inside edge and begin a new circle with a backward crossover from the left backward outside to the right backward inside edge. Once you have finished the sequence, repeat everything on the opposite side. Start with a right forward outside bracket, then a right backward inside 3-turn. Follow with a right forward outside to left backward outside mohawk, then a power pull from the left backward outside to the left backward inside edge along the axis. Begin a new circle with a backward crossover from the right backward outside edge to the left backward inside edge. Repeat this entire sequence multiple times, alternating sides, and focus on keeping your upper body steady and quiet. Stretch your arms out to the sides to help maintain balance and control through each turn and transition. If you are new to figure skating and just starting to learn your basic skills, visit my website at styleskating.com and check out my video course, Figure Skating Foundations for Beginner Skaters. You will find in-depth tutorials and detailed step-by-step instructions to guide you through essential skills, spins, and jumps. The course is designed to help you avoid the most common mistakes and build a strong foundation so you can learn faster and the proper way right from the start. Now we are going to combine the more difficult beginning and the backward inside double 3-turns from the second part of the sequence into one full pattern. Start on the left forward outside bracket, followed by a left backward inside 3-turn. Continue with a left forward outside to right backward outside mohawk. Then from the right backward outside edge, transition into power pull to the right backward inside edge. After that, stay on the right foot and perform a double backward inside 3-turn. Right backward inside to right forward outside edge, and again from right forward outside to right backward inside. Continue with a backward crossover from the left backward outside to the right backward inside edge. Repeat the sequence back to back across the ice to improve your timing, edge depth, and control. Then switch sides and start from the right foot. Right forward outside bracket, right backward inside 3-turn, then right forward outside to left backward outside mohawk. From the left backward outside edge, do a power pull to the left backward inside edge. Perform a double backward inside 3-turn on the left foot, and finish the second circle with a backward crossover from the right backward outside to the left backward inside edge. Repeat multiple times on both sides for consistency and balance. Focus on controlled upper body alignment, deep knees, and clean edge quality throughout the sequence. Now we are moving on to advanced skating skills by adding a counter and rocker to our sequence. Start with the same opening, left forward outside bracket, followed by a left backward inside 3-turn, then a left forward outside to right backward outside mohawk. From there, continue with a power pull from the right backward outside to the right backward inside edge, leading into the second circle. Now add a right backward inside counter, followed immediately by a right forward inside rocker. After the rocker, step into a backward crossover from the left backward outside to the right backward inside edge and return to the beginning of the sequence. As you perform the counter and rocker, pay close attention to your knee and ankle bend, maintain a strong twist through your upper body, and extend your arm, keep your back straight for better balance and flow. Repeat the same pattern on the opposite side. Start with a right forward outside bracket, followed by a right backward inside 3-turn. Continue with a right forward outside to left backward outside mohawk, then do a power pull from the left backward outside to the left backward inside edge, and immediately after that, go into a left backward inside counter, followed by a left forward inside rocker, and finish with a backward crossover from the right backward outside to the left backward inside edge. Repeat this advanced sequence multiple times, focusing on clean edges, strong posture, and consistent timing. We have reached our top difficulty sequence, designed for everyone who stayed with me through the entire video. Great job! Now we are going to add toe steps, counter hop, forward and side twizzle, choctaw, and forward and side three-turn to finish this step sequence. Take your time, we'll go step by step and then repeat the sequence in both directions. Start on a left forward outside bracket, followed by a left backward and side three-turn. Continue with a left forward outside to right backward outside mohawk. Then from the right backward outside edge, transition into power pull to the right backward inside edge. Next, perform a right backward inside counter, then a right forward inside rocker. From there, do a backward crossover from the left backward outside edge to the right backward inside edge. Now we add the rotational toe steps to the right. From there, transition into a crossover with the right backward inside edge. Use that momentum to hop to the left, pushing off the right backward inside edge, landing through the left toe pick, and push to glide into a right forward inside twizzle, completing a next half circle and exit on a right backward outside edge, stepping immediately into a left forward inside choctaw. After that, finish the sequence with a clean right forward inside three-turn. Now repeat the full combination in the opposite direction, starting on your right foot. To execute this complex step sequence with ease and grace, you need strong fundamentals. Solid skating foundations are essential, and that is exactly why I created my video course on my website styleskating.com. It's designed to help beginner skaters build proper technique and make faster progress in less time. So make sure to visit my website and sign up for the course today. Now let's go ahead and perform this full step sequence in the opposite direction. Start with a right forward outside bracket, followed by a right backward inside three-turn. From there, step into a right forward outside to left backward outside mohawk. Continue with a power pull from the left backward outside edge to the left backward inside edge. Then go directly into a left backward inside counter, followed by a left forward inside rocker. Next, perform a backward crossover from the right backward outside to the left backward inside edge. From there, go into rotational toe steps to the left, exiting with a cross in front and gliding on the left backward inside edge. Hop from the left backward inside edge using the right toe pick on a landing and step into left forward inside twizzle on a new circle. Exit on a left backward outside edge, then step onto a right forward inside edge through a choctaw transition. Finish the sequence with a left forward inside three-turn. Congratulations on making it through this full progression of step sequences, from basic mohawks to advanced turns like counters, rockers, twizzles, and choctaws. You have just completed a challenging but rewarding skating journey. These exercises are not only great for improving edge quality, timing, and control, but also for developing full body coordination and confidence in your skating. Thank you for skating with me today, and I will see you in the next video.